Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the collection of N64 Virtual Console games on the main menu. So as you can see, I got about 10 or 11. F-Zero X, Bomberman Hero, Pokemon Snap, Paper Mario, Zelda Ocarina, Majora's Mask, Mario Party 2, Mario Kart 64, Cruising USA, Kirby 64, and 1080 snowboarding. So first I'll show you how to install them. So using WeMod Lite, start it up. Go over to the WAD manager, press A. Now look for the folder that you created. I named mine N64 WAD collection, so press A. And there's all of them that I have. It's 22 in the collection, but the Wii only has a certain amount of memory, so you can only install so many on the main screen. So just press A on any one of them, and that's how you install them. Now let's go back to the main menu. So you must have the Not64 emulator and the games themselves in order for this to work. And you must have the classic controller to actually play the games. So we'll start a few games up just to show you. So F-Zero X, start it up. There you go. To change game, just press home, Wii menu, and then yes. Takes you back to the Wii menu. We'll pick another game. Let's go 1080 snowboarding. Start it up. There you go. Pick another game. Wii menu. Yes. We'll pick one more. We'll do Zelda Ocarina. Go back to the Wii menu. Yes. So that's basically it for this video. I will leave the link for the page for you to download these WADs. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And on to the next one.